Let us solve more problems based on similarity of triangles in this video. So we've got a question here which reads like this. In the figure given here, if triangle EDC is similar to triangle EBA and angle BEC equals 115 degrees and angle EDC equals 70 degrees, we have to find angle DEC. That is, we got to find this angle in green, and then we got to find angle DCE, that is this in green, and angle EAB, this one, and angle AEB, this one, and then angle EBA. So all the angles in green here are to be found. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles are to be found. So now the first one that we can find is angle DEC, because if you see, DB is a straight line and then there is a ray on it, that is EC. So we know that angles on a straight line equals 180 degrees, right? So we've got angle BEC plus angle DEC equal to 180 degrees. So we've got angle BEC equal to 115 degrees and we need to find angle DEC, and this is equal to 180 degrees. So angle DEC equal to 180 degrees minus 115 degrees. So angle DEC equal to 65 degrees. 180 degrees minus 115 degrees is 65 degrees. So out of the 5 angles, we found one angle now. Very simple. You don't have to really know the concepts of similarity of triangles to solve this angle. You just have to know some basic geometrical properties. And the next one is, let us find, now what we can find as a result of angle DEC is angle AEB. Angle AEB is equal to angle DEC. Why is that? Because vertically opposite angles, right? These are the vertically opposite angles. So therefore, angle AEB is also equal to 65 degrees. Another very simple means of by which we found the angle. Nothing linked with similarity of triangles. So out of 5, we've done 3. So now let us look into the next angle. That is, in triangle CDE. In triangle CDE, we've got angle CDE plus angle DEC plus angle DC equal to 180 degrees. So a triangle which has got 3 angles, and those 3 angles sum up to 180 degrees. So let's use that property and let us find angle DCE. So we've got angle EDC plus angle DEC plus angle DCE equal to 180 degrees. In this we know 2 angles, that is, angle EDC is 70 degrees and angle DEC is 65 degrees. We need to find angle DCE. So angle DCE remains angle EC. This is equal to 180 degrees. So therefore, angle DCE equals 180 degrees minus 70 degrees minus 65 degrees, which is nothing but angle DCE equals 45 degrees. Another very simple concept used to find the angle DCE. So now it is given that triangle EDC is similar to triangle EBA. So now we got to use all these data to find the rest of the 2 angles, that is angle A and angle B. So yeah, when these 2 triangles are similar to each other, angle EBA is equal to angle EDC. You simply can't say that angle D equals angle A and angle B equals angle C, because these 2 triangles are inverted. If you put it in the right way, you can see that angle B will be equal to angle D and angle A will be equal to angle C. So, and then we've got angle EAB equal to angle ECD. So therefore, we've got angle EBA equal to, what is angle EDC here? So angle EDC is 70 degrees. So we've got angle EBA is 70 degrees, and then we've got angle EAB as, what is angle ECD? ECD. So we just found angle ECD to be 45 degrees. So therefore, angle EAB equals 45 degrees. Therefore, we found all the 5 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th angle is here. So this concludes this video. I'll see you with more problems based on similarity of triangles in the forthcoming videos.